Hey guys, it's time to talk about the future of Samsung. And before I get into this, I want to apologize because what I'm about to show you might make you wait for this phone. Look, the Galaxy S9 is right around the corner. It's going to be a Galaxy S8s kind of upgrade. You're getting slightly changed design, faster processor, amazing camera, which will probably be the most awesome feature on the phone, which I will talk about in more detail in one of my upcoming videos. And that's about it. It's a perfect set of improvements for people who want to upgrade from their Galaxy S8, people who want to experience the dual cameras, they can upgrade to the S9 Plus, but still, the phone looks very much the same because Samsung is saving all of their big design change for their 10th anniversary Galaxy S10. You guys remember I talked about the Galaxy Zero phone a couple of weeks ago, the secret Galaxy Z that Samsung is working on, which will feature a whopping 100% screen-to-body ratio. Well, that phone is actually not a separate phone or a secret series. It's the future of the flagship S series and the Note series. Samsung will go 100% screen with its 2019 flagship Galaxy S10. That is the big surprise for the 10th anniversary phone. It's a special number, 10th Galaxy S phone in the world. It's hard to believe, but it's going to be the 10th Galaxy S phone. It's crazy that much time has passed. Samsung didn't even skip any numbers, so it's really going to be their 10th Galaxy S phone. It has to be so special that it leaves everything behind. It has to start a new era of Samsung smartphones. Recently, we got a new patent from Samsung spotted by Let's Go Digital, which shows a 100% screen-to-body phone with holes in display for the front camera, speaker, and the sensors. Not only that, there's also a hole for the home button as well. Now for a 100 screen to body ratio, this is the only way to go for. Apple has the notch, the current Galaxy has some form of bezels, but achieving the full 100% screen to body ratio, the sensors and the front camera stuff has to go in glass. And this shows that Samsung will achieve it with the help of holes built into the actual display. So you can see the camera sensor, the earpiece, plus the home button is in the glass. For the content, they have showed multiple app examples. So you can see on the left, the photo is displayed on the whole display. Of course, it is interrupted by the holes. They are taking their place. The second image shows the smaller display area, omitting the cutouts. Then we have the phone app example where we have a full display again, holes on top. Similar in the home screen area as well, the holes are there. I know they may look a bit questionable, but like the notch, people will eventually ignore them. You see, we have the black bars while watching the video. There's even a YouTube app example where we have the app interface, but look at the top. Right below the holes, we have the reminder information. It says meeting starts at 10. That is a nice implementation on that extra screen. Then we got the browser look, the lock screen, and home screen. This all looks pretty promising. The last part of this file show that the holes are not just holes for the sensor. They do have some kind of touch implementation. Like for example, this says that touch arrives on the whole perform function. Here, swiping on the earpiece will show the notification panel when you move your finger all the way down. There are some more touch patterns listed here. It's pretty interesting how it's going to be implemented in the real final actual 10th anniversary Galaxy S phone. I mean, Samsung is very serious about this. They know eventually we are moving towards that true bezel-less era of phones, and there is no way that notch will be used. That's the Apple way. So they won't copy Apple, and this is how they're gonna do it. Now, it is a patent. They still have a full year to perfect this and work on the possibilities, but it does show us a glimpse of what Samsung is planning for their 10th anniversary beast Galaxy S10. There was a second patent as well, not that detailed. There's just a couple of sketches of that within this that showed a phone with essential phone-like notch, a hole on the front for the home button as well, power button on the top, speaker, charging port, and the headphone jack on the bottom, and the back showed a circular camera, which might be the new look of the back camera. This other patent might be another version of the Galaxy S10, who knows? We don't know, but one thing is for sure, and I mean absolute sure, that Samsung is planning to go 100% screen to body ratio on their 10th anniversary Galaxy S phone. That is their ultimate plan. And I think that's going to be the biggest feature of the phone. Yeah guys, let me know what you think about this. It is very interesting. Would you wait for this huge change, or will you settle with the Galaxy S9/S9 Plus? Let me know. And also, if you guys don't know, I am giving away a Galaxy A8 2018. All you have to do is to subscribe to this channel, give me a follow on Instagram and Twitter. That's where I will be announcing the winner. And lastly, leave a comment below. Best of luck, and again, let me know your thoughts about this, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.